Hello, this is Rob and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow guest access to Microsoft Teams. Allowing guest access is an organization-wide setting. To be able to make these changes and to complete this tutorial, you need to be at least a Teams administrator. You can check if you have a Teams administrator role assigned to you by going to Microsoft 365 Admin Center, go to Users, Active Users, pick the account you want to check, get this pop-up. Over here you see Roles Teams Administrator. So test user has the role Teams Administrator assigned to it. Allowing guest access to Microsoft Teams is something that I get asked about, and why in some cases when people try to add a guest to their team, they see the message, "We didn't find any matches." In most cases that's because guest access is turned off for Microsoft Teams. We will have a look at how Microsoft Teams reacts to inviting a guest when guest access is turned off, and how it should look when guest access is turned on. Let's see an example of an organization where guest access is turned on. To add a member, you go to the ellipsis next to the team and click the Add Member button. I get a pop-up and I can enter an email address of the guest that I want to invite to the Teams channel. After I entered the email address, I get an option to add that email address. And after I click that, the invitation will be sent out to the email address inviting the member to the team. Now let's compare that to an organization where guest access is turned off. We go to a channel, add member, enter email address, and we get a pop-up, "We didn't find any matches." So how do you allow guest access in Microsoft Teams? To allow guest access in Microsoft Teams, you need to make an organization-wide change, and this can only be done by someone who has the Teams administrator or higher role assigned to them. If you have that role assigned, you can go to Teams Admin Center, then go to Organization-wide Change, go to Guest Access, and on the top you see a pull-down menu that says Allow Guest Access in Microsoft Teams. By default it's turned on, but it could be turned off due to security reasons or decision from management. So you turn it on, you get a new list of all sorts of options, and we will go through those options in different videos. At the bottom of the page you will see a Save button appear. After you press the Save button, a change will start. You will get a green bar with the text, "We saved the settings, please allow a couple of hours for changes to take effect." This might take several hours, anywhere between 2 and 24 hours. In most cases it's only a couple of hours. It's a few hours later and I'm back in my Teams account to add a guest to my Microsoft Teams. I go to the ellipsis, Add Member. I get a pop-up. I enter the full email address of the guest that I want to invite to my Teams channel. I get the option to select and add the guest. After I click that, an invitation will be sent out to that email address, inviting them to be a member of my team. So done. And that's how you enable guest access in Microsoft Teams. You can press the subscribe button to join my channel if you want to see more videos on Microsoft 365. Thank you for watching, and I would appreciate it if you shared and liked my video.